Welcome to TechWiki, where we are always ready to talk all things tech. Exclusive. A Tesla for a Bitcoin? Musk drives up cryptocurrency price with $1.5 billion purchase. Full gist. Tesla Incorporated said Monday that it bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, a disclosure that follows Chief Executive Elon Musk's promotion of the cryptocurrency and other digital currency alternatives on Twitter. The electric vehicle company also said it expects to start accepting Bitcoin as payment for its products soon. Prices jumped more than 10% after the announcement, according to cryptocurrency research and news site CoinDesk. Tesla disclosed its Bitcoin purchase in its latest annual report, saying the move aims to diversify and maximize returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity. Tesla said a board committee had approved changes to company rules on investments, adding that it can also invest cash in gold bullion and gold exchange-traded funds, among other assets. Shocking! Bitcoin price smashes 44,000 as the market reacts to Tesla's purchase for the first time. Shortly after the news broke, Bitcoin crossed the 44,000 mark for the first time. The milestone comes on the heels of an extraordinary run for Bitcoin, which has doubled in price since December and has recovered from a tumble in late January that saw it briefly fall to around 30,000. This move makes many people ask various questions. I think we have the answer to one of the questions. Why did Tesla buy Bitcoin? Tesla made it clear in its statement filed with its regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission, that it sees Bitcoin as a chance to diversify its cash and cash-equivalent holdings. Corporations usually hold excess cash and/or cash equivalents, like treasury bills or commercial paper, on their books to provide operational liquidity and generate returns while limiting risks. Tesla wrote, "We updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operating liquidity." The move isn't without risk. Tesla acknowledges as the price of Bitcoin could slump. If we hold digital assets and their values decrease relative to our purchase prices, our financial condition may be harmed, the company acknowledges. But a single Bitcoin, which has soared 62% so far this year, could easily be headed for a six-digit value if bullish momentum continues to build, which would make Musk look smart. Experts said they would not be surprised by regulators' closer look given Musk's bumpy past with watchdogs. The Securities and Exchange Commission sparred with Musk and Tesla several times over his use of Twitter to discuss the company, ultimately resulting in his exit as company chairman and a pair of $20 million fines for Musk and Tesla. We're talking about a billionaire with one of the most valuable companies in the history of the world who has seemingly gotten away with poking the SEC before, said Tyler Gelash, head of the Washington-based Healthy Markets Association and former SEC official. Still, Gelash said that examination doesn't mean this is likely to be an enforcement case. Tesla said in a filing the decision to move nearly 8% of its reserves into Bitcoin as part of its broad investment policy as a company aimed at diversifying and maximizing its returns on cash, including holding gold. The report said it ended 2020 with $19.38 billion in cash and cash equivalents. We expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt, the company said. Tesla said it had invested an aggregate of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin under the change policy and could acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Shares of the company rose 1.3% Monday. Gold jumped more than 1% Monday, while Ethereum, another cryptocurrency, surged to a record high. That's all for now, and I will keep you updated about the latest. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. If you want some extra perks, like one-on-one conversations with us and special access to our member-only events, we have a Patreon that you can join.